Hey guys, Matt here again for Udesly.com. What we're going to do on this video is show you how you can use the adapter and how it works for your Shopify theme. Now to get started, I do recommend you go ahead and check out the official resources for Shopify. We have a starter theme where you can get started straight away with your Webflow project. And we also have the Elements pack, which allows you to build on top of either the starter theme or your existing Webflow project. All of these cloner elements have the attributes pre-applied, so you can easily get started with your Shopify experience without needing to understand the attribute system fully via the documentation. However, in this video I'm going to show you how it works and how you can add it to your existing project. So the adapter works on attributes that you apply onto elements on your page in the custom attribute settings, which tells the adapter to convert these parts over to certain functions of Shopify. So for example, here I have my blog article page and I want to tell the adapter that this is that page. So with using the documentation and following the page structure, what I need to do is hit body, go over to the custom attributes and type in page equals article, like so. And then I want to give all of the elements on my page an item attribute. Item attributes are used on your elements to tell the adapter what element you are wanting to use. So I want this to be the title, so I simply type in item equals title. And for the date, it is item equals date. For the featured image, it is simply item equals featured hyphen image. And then lastly, my page content needs to be item equals content on the rich text block. So there you go. It is that simple to set up a page inside of Webflow for Shopify, give it an attribute to tell the adapter what type of Shopify page it is, and then apply custom attributes onto each element of the page so that all of the correct data is pulled across onto the page. And it's that simple to use the attribute system. If you want to head over to the documentation, we have a bunch of attributes that you can use on your article page in addition to the ones I've just showed you. And we also have the documentation for all of the other sections that Shopify offers. So stuff like the menus and conditional elements. So if you wanted to show items that when the user is logged in, or if they want gift card conditions and stuff like that, you could go ahead and read into them and apply them onto your attributes. So what I'm going to do is simply export my Webflow project, and then I want to go to the Udesly Adapter and I want to select on Shopify, drag my downloaded zip onto there, and I can give it any name I want. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to keep it blank like so. And then what I need to do is just convert, and there you go. You can see how snappy and fast that it converts, and we have our theme ready to be uploaded onto our Shopify store. When we're on our Shopify dashboard, what we need to do is go onto the online store sections, go to theme, and then we want to upload a theme to our library there. Grab the downloaded zip, upload it like so, and then we could go ahead and publish that new theme like so. And then there we go. If we go to our blog post section, I've got a blog post down here. If I want to select that, I can hit view. As you can see, the article pulls in as it should do with our title, date, the image that we've used, and the content of our article there. Don't forget, this also applies for our product template. We could go ahead and customize that inside of Webflow using the product section there. So there you go. That is a brief rundown of how the adapter works for Shopify and how you can get more functionality out of your Webflow project. I do recommend you go ahead and read the getting started section on the documentation to understand all of the pages that you need inside of your Shopify project. In addition to this, we have all of the elements and attributes that you need to build your shop, your blog, the account, and we also have a lot of conditional elements inside of the general section, so you can really customize the design by showing and hiding certain aspects depending on whether users are logged in and what orders there are, etc. I also recommend you go ahead and join our official Facebook community group. We are extremely active on there, and I do try my best to reply to as many of you as possible to give you both design inspiration and help with any questions that you may or may not have. In addition to that, we have our official help centre where you can go and head and submit pre-sale questions and technical support. And of course we have a Slack private channel where you can go ahead and join, and we do try our best to be very engaging with the community that way. Anyway, my name has been Matt. I hope you got all the best from this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.